Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chesniak Shumash. We are back for another part with this Turbopower 2. Now, as you might have seen in the second part of this video with Dave, when we switched this on, I noticed that one of the fixed fan blades in the motor had come loose. I forgot to glue it back in. So it works really well. It's clean, it's tidy, it needs a polish, but I need to strip out the motor again and get that repaired. So what I'm going to do is put you guys on fast forward while I strip it, and then we will work on the motor together, get it fixed, put it all back together, and then fingers crossed. So I'm going to get you guys a little bit closer over and I'm going to start stripping this machine down. Right, so it's the next day and the vane has now been glued in, so that will stay in place. Now I have to start putting this beastie back together.
Hey Kitty, how are you? Alright, just doing this. Oh.
Right, I just need that vane to stay in place. And then that will be fine. Right, so I'm going to wait another 24 hours for it to dry. Okay, so the motor is done back together. I've cleared the bench. Now it's time to put it back together. Okay, my little whippersnappers, we're back. It's all put together. I've already tested it and sounds amazing. So I just need that vane to stay in place. The main issue that we have with this is the door. There is a terrible crack developed from here to here, and I can see where these veins have come out. So the only thing I can do is, after I've polished it, is literally just cover it in glue, some bonding glue, and just hope that it stays and the crack won't get any worse. But it's all the way down on this vein here, so but never mind, it's not going to get used a lot. So the next thing I have to do is to polish this thing up. So I'm going to remove some parts. And we are going to start polishing this thing to boogery, to try and bring back that lustrous blue shine, because this should really pop with the color blue on. It's a beautiful dark navy blue. So we're going to be giving it a really good polish now, and see if we can bring that back to luster. We won't be able to get rid of all the scratches, no, but we will be able to bring back the shine. So I'll get you guys a bit closer and I'm going to start polishing. So there we are, polished, shiny like the Chrysler building, and looking really good, and also sounding. Also sounding very good. For as long as that vane will stay in place, it should be okay. The dusting brush does look like old grandma's cooch, but not much I can do about that. It's an original part of it, so it'll stay as part of an original piece, unless I can find an exact one, but meh, I don't mind. It all works, that's the most important thing, and it looks really good. So there we go. That is the Hoover model U2462 Part 3. Eventually, successfully put back together. So, there's only one thing left to do now. Let's give it a test. Okay, so we're finally on the last leg of the Hoover Turbopower, and we are going to vacuum. Right. Zach, get back over there. No, over there. Move. Stay. Don't like the sound of it, so there we go. Right, so let's go. Wow. So not only does that perform really well, it sounds really good, and it looks really good as well with its facelift, revamp, cleanup, whatever you want to call it. It's definitely in better condition than when we started, and the blue has come up really well on it too. I'm really chuffed with this refurb because I didn't think it was going to go as good as it did. There's a little bit there. But it did, and I can't wait to do the house demo with it. And unfortunately we're going to be saying goodbye to this. This is going to be for sale on eBay at some point, so I will let you guys know when it goes on eBay. But there we go, another one rescued, brought back from the brink, and ready to live another day. So let's get this back up on the bench and we'll finish off the video. So there we go, fully restored and back up and running. The inside of it I had to bond seriously with some Gorilla Tape glue to stop the panel from cracking, but that seems to be fine. And yeah, we're up and done and running. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. The motor on this has been a bit of a pain, but we did get it back up and running. So please comment, like and subscribe for more videos. Go check out the back catalogue. Share the videos on social media as much as you can. That helps me a lot. And I will see you guys for the next episode. Bye y'all.